Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. City is witnessing partly cloudy weather and some parts even witness light showers today morning. Meanwhile, there is alert from IMD as well. So let's know about the present weather condition and the forecast from the expert here at Punjab Agriculture University. We are having Dr. PK Kingrab, head of the meteorology department at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. Welcome, ma'am, to The Sovera.
Thank you.
Ma'am, what is the present weather condition?
From last few days, monsoon system is active in the region. So rainfall has been recorded at many places in the state. And if we see the temperature conditions, there has been some fall in daytime temperature. So it's below normal. And whereas nighttime temperature is above normal. So today's daytime temperature is 32 degrees centigrade, which is below normal by 1.5 degrees centigrade. And today's nighttime temperature is 27.8 degrees centigrade, which is above normal by 1.3 degrees centigrade. And if we see the weather prediction for the coming days, there are chances of light to moderate rain at isolated places in the state during coming 3 to 4 days. And for today, there is orange alert for 3 districts in the state: Pathankot, Gurdaspur, and Amritsar. And for other northern districts and some southwestern districts, there is yellow alert. So these districts, they can have heavy rain also, but otherwise light to moderate rain is expected in different districts during 3 to 4 days.
Ma'am, you said that there is orange alert in three districts and remaining districts there is yellow alert. Ludhiana isn't. What kind of alert is there in Ludhiana?
There is no alert in Ludhiana. It's orange alert for 3 districts, and for other northern and some southwestern districts, there is yellow alert, but there is no alert in Ludhiana for coming 3 to 4 days.
How you see that? How long will this monsoon will remain active?
For coming days, it is likely to remain active. So there can be rainfall, light to moderate rain at isolated places in the state for coming 3 to 4 days.
And ma'am, how you see this? What kind of rainfall? How much rainfall has been recorded in this month? And even in June, it was this. We recorded a surplus rainfall. So, what is the present status?
Yes, during the month of June, we witnessed above normal rain at Ludhiana, because normal rain for Ludhiana for the month of June is 82.8 millimeter, and this year we have recorded 128.2 millimeter, which is above normal. And for July, the normal rain is 220.4 millimeter, and this year till date we have recorded 92 millimeter.
So, it is expected to that it will also be a surplus month.
Yes, rain during the month of July is expected to be near normal. Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, how see this present weather condition? Weather condition is having impact on the paddy crops.
We have received good amount of rain during June as well as during July also. It's near normal. So I think because kharif crops, they have more water requirements, especially paddy crop. So this rain, I think, will be able to fulfill the water requirements of paddy crop, and it will also help in decreasing pressure on the groundwater resources in the region.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, as of now, there is no alert in Ludhiana, but there are other districts where three districts they are having orange alert, and there is yellow alert for remaining other districts. But there is no alert for Ludhiana region. And moreover, the present monsoon season is. There is a good rainfall recorded so far, and it is good for the paddy crops, and it is putting less pressure on the groundwater table. So you are watching The Sovera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.